Today we're taking part in the Dixie Belle Magazine Holder Challenge, and we're showing you how to paint perfect stripes. I took my tape and I cut it right down the middle. Painter's tape has stretch in it, and you could get a bit of wobble depending on the distance you're going. So as added insurance, I like to tape against a straight edge here. So I'm going to start at the top, but right up against that ruler, and then I'm just going to make sure I'm right up against the edge and press down as I go. Burnish the edge really well. So starting with my Bunker Hill Blue, my Colonel Mustard, Barn Red, and Evergreen. I've got them all lined up. The brush I'm going to be using is this French tip brush by Dixie Belle. I'm going to offload it in the center, and I'm going to come back and brush towards the top and come in from the sides. Last color going on, and it's Bunker Hill Blue. Don't worry if it looks streaky, you're going to rectify that on the second coat.